New from Heizohack comes a completely redesigned chipper, the Heizohack 14860, the most advanced, highest capacity Heizohack ever built. Designed for tractors up to 500 horsepower at the PTO, the 14860 comes with drawbar options of a Rockinger 40 or 50mm eye, an 80mm Charm Muller ball, or a standard UK pickup hitch with rotatable eye, all at heights of 500, 650 or 720mm. This particular chipper is on 600 by 50 R22.5 flotation tyres, speed rated to 60 kmph. A full four-leg design ensures the 14860 has unsurpassed stability when loading and chipping, and the new longer remote-controlled telescopic chute provides excellent chip delivery. The redesigned larger reinforced drawbar provides space and strength for a variety of heavy-duty timber cranes, such as the factory-fitted Palfinger Epsilon M70F, and there's still room for the additional option of an onboard cone-type log splitter. Within just a few minutes of arriving on site, the 14860 is ready to start work. All operations from deployment to chipping are handled directly from the cab. A camera on the rear of the vehicle aids reversing, while a second on chute helps direct filling, ideal for working with trailers to maximize capacity. Control boxes, joysticks, and foot pedals can all be customized by AC Price engineers and installed to suit individual operators' requirements and mountings. The new 14860 has many significant advantages over the previous model, the 14800. The crane, log splitter, and auxiliary chipper valves are now all fed from a single power beyond or load sensing circuit, reducing the need for separate feeds from the tractor. A completely redesigned larger diameter rotor with 40% extra sieve area is now capable of chipping whole trees up to 26 inches or 650mm in diameter. And the optional telescopic chute extension now provides an extra 700mm of reach, making directional filling simple, whether it's evenly loading a trailer or reaching a high silo opening. Maintenance access couldn't be easier with the integrated steps and work platform. 3 bolts secure the rotor cover, which is now fitted with a hydraulic lifting system as standard. Inside, new redesigned rotor knives are held in place by just 2 bolts. These require only half of the torque of the previous model, making blade changing quick and easy. Sieve changing has also been made far easier, with the main sieve now in 2 sections, held in place by upper cover sieves. No bolts needed, just lift out and replace. A tungsten carbide segmented shear bar provides the ultimate endurability, reducing the need for any blade gap setup when changing worn blades. AC Price Engineering can cater for your specific requirements and put together special build chassis and crane configurations for Heizohack and other forestry equipment. We have fitted over 40 different cranes to special builds and have a large range of extras which are available nowhere else. Together, all this means that we can tailor the equipment to your exact requirements. And if green and yellow don't match your taste, Heizohack chippers can be supplied colour-matched to your livery. Get the most from your forestry operations with AC Price.